So I look a little crazy right now, but we're gonna get it together, okay? So I currently have on this Freeman Peel Off Clay Mask. It is a clearing mask with sweet tea and lemon. It instantly removes impurities and tones for radiant skin. So while this face mask dries, I'm just going to do my hair and then peel it off. So to start off, I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water, focusing on my edges because I want my hair to be super laid. And I want it to be pretty damp, and at the back too. And this is just water in here with some leave-in conditioner. It's my own little concoction. Now I'm gonna take one of these slick brushes and start to slick down my hair. I've already done my middle part, so you can do the parting on whichever side of your hair that you want. I'm gonna go back over my hair with this Denman brush here, just to make sure there's no lumps and bumps, and it's gonna be nice and smooth once I tie it down. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel and a toothbrush and put it all around my edges to get everything laid down. So I'm gonna use this tail comb here to straighten up my part and make sure it's centered as I want it. So I can see I don't have enough gel here, so I'm gonna add some more because I want this to be super sleek.
Dice on the beat.
So I'm just adding some mousse to my edges. I'm just going to use the toothbrush to smoothen everything out. Now I'm just going to take the puff at the end, twist it around like this, and wrap it in a bun. And I'm gonna secure it with another hair tie. And I'm noticing that it looks a little dry, so I'm actually gonna spray some water on it. Just gonna use a hair tie and secure it down. I'm gonna give my hair a light spritz with my Fantasia Liquid Mousse Super Hold Spritz Hairspray, and this smells amazing. So I'm just gonna tie my hair with this scarf. So as you guys can see, I took off my hair tie. My hair is laid. I'm ready to go. So I've gone ahead and primed my skin with the Fenty Beauty Primer. I've also gone ahead and done my brows with the NYX pomade in the color Espresso, the usual that I always use. And then I've cleaned it up with concealer and primed my eyelids. For this look, I'm actually going to be doing a rose gold pinky sunset look that I used to love to do. This used to be my go-to look for whenever I went out, and I'm actually going out tonight, so I've decided to just show you guys one of my favorite looks. To start off, I'm going to be using the Saharan by Juvias Place, and I'm going in with Katsina as my transition shade. If I can find my brush. Perfect. So I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush and Katsina, this brown color here, and put this in my crease. So now that I've got that transition shade in, I'm going to go in with this pink powder blush, which is Bright Pink by MAC, and I love using this actually as an eyeshadow instead of blush. And I'm going in with that same fluffy brush, and I'm going to work this into my crease as well. And I love products like this that you can use as two things. So not only is it a blush, but it also works as an eyeshadow. So I'm just diffusing that into my crease. And now I'm gonna go in with another blush by MAC, and this is called Saucy Mist. This has more of a purple tint to it. And I'm gonna go in with a more precise brush here and put that into the outer corner of my crease. I decided to bring you guys in a little closer. I had to switch memory cards because my other one was full, so I'm not really sure where it stopped off, but I just added some purple into my crease. I love the depth that I added to this look. So now I'm just going in with this single shadow by MAC called Expensive Pink and a flat packing eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna put this all over my lid. So I've covered my lid in this color here. I've packed it on, and I've just blended out the pink on the end so it kind of looks all smooth together like a cute little sunset. And I like to pack a bit more on towards the middle of the eye so that when you like just move, it gives you a nice little glow. So going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Sienna. To conceal, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 35 Deep. This is a little light for me, so I'm gonna add some foundation to it as well. To conceal, I'm also going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the color 60 Cocoa. To conceal, to contour. And because I don't like my under eye too bright, I'm gonna add just 2 or 3 dots of the darker concealer. And now I'm gonna blend that out with a damp beauty blender. And now I'm going to use the back of the beauty blender to blend out my contour. I'm going to use this flat brush here to blend out my nose contour. So to bake and to set my under eye concealer, I'm going in with this NYX powder here, which is the Set It and Don't Fret It matte finishing powder, and this is in the color medium dark. And I'm just gonna go in with the same beauty blender, and we're gonna bake. While I bake for a couple of minutes, I'm gonna go in with this NYX single contour shade, and this is in the color Hollow, and I'm just using a contour fluffy brush with that. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush, it's a little dirty, to just dust away all of this bake. that powder is a little light, so to avoid flashback, I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX, and this is the Pressed Mineral Foundation in the color N80, and I'm gonna use more of a stipple flat top brush, and I'm gonna just set all my face. I'm gonna go back in with that same powder blush in the color Saucy Miss and put that under my waterline. I'm gonna go in with a precise flat brush here. To add some color into my face, I'm gonna go in with this Milani Baked Blush in the color Rose d'Oro. And I'm just gonna use this highlighter brush and give myself a light dust in. I don't like a lot of blush. To highlight, I'm gonna go in with MAC Gold Deposit and this fluffy fan brush. So I'm gonna go in with this little precise brush and go in with this sparkly shade on the end here of the Nubian palette and put that on my inner corner. Just to open up my eye a bit. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna go in with my Skindinavia makeup finishing spray in the oil control and give my face a spritz. So I'll actually be doing an AliExpress haul very soon, but I got these lashes from there and I'm gonna try them out today. So one pair will be missing when I do my haul. Don't come for me. But yeah, they look really nice and the band is really thick. I don't think I remember how much they were, so I'll put it like right here for you guys. So I'm gonna apply these off camera and I'll be right back. So I look a little crazy right now because I'm wearing two different lashes, but I wanted to give you guys an update because I was struggling with these lashes. But these AliExpress lashes are beautiful. They're very dramatic. And like at first I didn't like them, but the more they sit on my eye, the more I like them. But I'm just going to like a poetry slam tonight. I'm not going to like, I would wear these on like a birthday or like the club if I'm trying to be popping. But I think I'm just gonna go with more of the natural lash, and these are my Kiss lashes in the style Flirty. But I just wanted to show you guys these lashes so you could see. But yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna switch the other lash. So to get my lips this color, I have lined my lips with the NYX Suede lip liners, and I've used the color Cabo, which is more of a light pink, and I focused that more in the center, and then Cold Brew more on the outside. I like it, but I'm gonna add some gloss because I've really been feeling gloss lately, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Fenty Gloss Bomb here. Whoa, it's nearly done. I'm so sad. And I love the color that this has, this like natural nudie color. I'm just gonna put that all over my lips. So I'm gonna go in with this Essence lip liner, which is a pink color called 15 Honeyberry, and I'm gonna apply this to my waterline. So guys, this is the final look here. I hope you really enjoyed this. I'm gonna go ahead and pick out an outfit and I'll be back.
Get that shit split up, trying to suck me down, I made that bitch sit up.
I'm not even dressed. So guys, I decided to get dressed. I'm just wearing this plain long sleeve by Primark from the UK, and I have on my misguided fur coat, my favorite. I'm wearing my boots, which are from Simi online. These were a really good price and they're so comfortable, even though they're super high heel. And of course, you already know I'm wearing my favorite Fashion Over jeans. So I hope you guys enjoy this get ready with me. I showed you how to get this hair, this beat, and the outfit. So this is a full video. I hope you guys really like this. Of course, you already know what to do. Be sure to comment, like, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.